Miami Gardens is known for its vibrant neighborhoods, diverse architecture, and lively South Florida character. From colorful ranch-style homes to modern new builds, each residence reflects a unique sense of style. That's why many homeowners are choosing custom door installations, not only to enhance curb appeal but to create a personalized entryway that matches their home's architectural personality. If you're upgrading your home's exterior, here are customer-focused custom door ideas perfectly suited to Miami Gardens' distinct home designs. Bold, tropical-inspired entry doors for homes that stand out. Miami Gardens embraces bright colors and tropical influences, making your entry door the ideal place to express that distinctive local flair. Popular custom options include vibrant door colors like teal, coral, palm green, or sunshine yellow, decorative glass inserts with coastal or geometric patterns, wood-look fiberglass doors that pair beautifully with lush landscaping, statement door hardware in matte black, brass, or brushed nickel. These doors not only add personality but also create a welcoming atmosphere that reflects Miami's energetic lifestyle. Sleek modern doors for contemporary Miami Gardens homes. Many newer homes in Miami Gardens feature modern designs with clean lines and minimalist aesthetics. A custom door can elevate that contemporary style. Consider smooth fiberglass or steel doors with sharp, modern profiles, horizontal glass inserts for a sleek, linear look, large pivot doors that make a dramatic architectural statement, full-view glass entry doors framed in black or aluminum. These choices add sophistication while allowing natural light to flow into your home. Impact-resistant custom doors designed for South Florida weather. Living in Miami Gardens means preparing for unpredictable weather, from heavy rain to strong winds. Custom doors can be designed with impact-resistant materials that meet or exceed Florida's strict building codes. Weather-ready customizations include impact-rated glass panels, reinforced steel or fiberglass construction, multi-point locking systems for improved safety, weatherproof seals that keep out moisture and wind. These upgrades provide peace of mind while still allowing for stylish designs. Decorative glass designs that elevate curb appeal. Decorative glass gives your door a custom touch while enhancing natural light inside your home. In Miami Gardens, where sunlight is abundant, glass elements can brighten your entryway and make your home feel more open. Homeowners love glass options such as etched or frosted glass for privacy, textured glass that adds elegance, stained or colored glass for bold artistic flair, geometric glass grids for a modern aesthetic. Paired with a customized door frame, these glass elements can transform your home's exterior. Custom double doors for a grand, welcoming entrance. If your home features a wide entryway, custom double doors can create a striking focal point. They suit both traditional and modern homes, offering elegance and improved functionality. Advantages include a luxurious, spacious entrance, easier moving of furniture and large items, symmetrical designs that complement Mediterranean and contemporary styles, ability to incorporate large glass panels or bold wood textures. Double doors instantly lift your home's curb appeal and presence. Sliding and French patio doors, customized for outdoor living. Miami Gardens homeowners love outdoor living, from barbecues to poolside relaxation. Custom patio doors help create smooth transitions between indoor and outdoor spaces. Popular patio door customizations. Impact-rated sliding glass doors, French patio doors with custom grille patterns, oversized glass panels for better backyard views, energy-efficient glass coatings to reduce heat gain. These doors enhance both aesthetics and everyday convenience. Custom hardware and finishes to match your home's style. The right hardware completes your custom door design. Whether your home is classic, coastal, or contemporary, customized handles, hinges, and finishes help tie the entire look together. Options include brushed nickel for modern homes, antique bronze for traditional designs, matte black for bold, trendy styles, custom pulls, smart locks, or decorative hinges. Small details like these make a big impact on your home's overall character. Final thoughts. Miami Gardens homes deserve entryways that are as unique as the families who live in them. Custom door installations allow you to express your style, improve curb appeal, and enhance home security, all while staying true to South Florida's eclectic design influences. Whether you prefer bold colors, modern simplicity, or impact-resistant durability, There's a custom door solution that perfectly complements your home.